before we begin, let's talk about string. I'm using 50-pound spider wire fishing line. I've been told it's best to use around 50 to 80-pound line. Anything in that range has a good ratio of thickness and strength. Here are two strings. The one on top is the one that is being replaced. The one on the bottom I've already tied off and kept from fraying on the end. That is the one we are about to put on the horn. Okay, first we're going to take your unknotted end of the string, bend it over, and twist it. It makes it easier to go through that small hole. Sometimes it gets stuck. Pull it through. Going to want to tug it to make sure your knot doesn't slip through. If it does slip through, just take it out, add more knots to it. Now we will be making a figure 8 with the string around these first two screws. So it's going to go all the way around this small screw it's unscrewed just a little bit. It's going underneath like that. Push it all the way down to the stop and screw it down to keep that string from coming undone. You can see it sprung back a little bit. Just unscrew it and keep it pressed down firmly. See, it doesn't spring back up too much. Keep going around that one more time. It has to go back through the hole, so you want to twist it, twist the end like before. Make sure it's still going the right way. Pull it through. Now it's going to go under this screw too, on the lever. It's going to go around and back through the hole in the lever, like that, not in the lever, but if you see what I mean. That keeps it snug under the screw, keeps it from coming undone. Make sure it's pulled tight and screw it down. You can see all of the levers are more or less in line with each other. Want to make sure when you press the lever, the knots don't come through. Make sure everything's working right. Now I'm cutting off about half of this string right here, and to keep it from fraying, just take a match or a lighter and burn it just a little bit. Doesn't take too much. There it is.